boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. This is Serious Crochet, and in today's tutorial we'll be making this chunky scrunchie. And I don't know, for some reason I just had to try to make this scrunchie in the different types of yarns I had or I am having here at home. So I made this in the velvet yarn I bought 2 years ago. It's a thrifted yarn, so I don't really know much about the brand. And this is a cotton yarn that I will be using for the tutorial. And this is what I'll be using to shoot in this tutorial. And this is an acrylic fiber yarn. I made one in blue from an acrylic fiber yarn. You will need a ring band. This ring band is so stretchy and it's very thick. And from the texture and all, I can already say it will be very durable. I will need a scissor, a 4.5 millimeter hook, and that will be that. So let's get right into it. So for a start, you're going to start by creating a slip knot as usual, and then you're going to go right through with your hook right into the band, and you're just going to start with chain one. So you're going to chain one and you're going to single crochet all the way, covering the band with your yarn. So just single crochet tightly all the way around the band. So you're going to do this closely in a way that you're going to close up every space. So there is no space, or you're going to make it so tight and very close that the band will not show. So just go all the way around with a single crochet. So you're going to you make sure to close up tightly, like I've already said, so you will not have holes that will be exposing the band underneath. So make sure what you're doing is close or very close, basically. That's what I mean. So do that all the way around till you get to the end, or till you have your band all covered up. So I have successfully covered my band. As you can see, I did that closely. So that's what you're going to do all the way around. So we are going to end the round by going into the very first stitch, the chain one stitch we started with the slip knots to end the round. So this is what your band should look like. So moving on to row 2, I'm going to start by chaining 3, and I will go right into the next space with 4 double crochet in that cluster as a cluster. So you're going to go right in there with 4 double crochet in the next space. So this is 3, and I'll go in there with the last double crochet to make it a total of 4 in that same space. So move on to the next space and place 4 double crochets. So basically that's what we are going to be doing for the next round, or for this round. You're going to be placing 4 double crochet in every space all the way around till you get to the end of this round. So basically just keep placing 4 double crochet in every space, 4 double crochet, move on to the next space, 4 double crochet, 4 double crochet, move on to the next loop, 4 double crochet. So that's it basically for this row. So keep doing this all the way till you get to the end of the row. So you're going to be placing 4 double crochet in every space all the way around till you get to the end. So I'm at the end of the row, as you can see. So this is what you should look like. Your ruffle should come in at the end of the row. So you're just going to, I'm going to go right into the chain 3 space we started with 3 more double crochet, because I don't want any space in this scrunchie. I want it all closely packed. So I'm going to make sure to cover up every space. So I'm going to go into that space with 3 more, because I had a chain 3 that we started with to make it a total of 4. So after that, you're just going to go right on top of the chain 3 with a slip knot to end the round. At the end of the day, you should have this. This is what it looks like. The ruffle is looking all ruffled up. So this is what you should have at the end of the day. And that's it basically for row 1. For row 2, we are going to start by chaining 3. And I'm going to be placing 1 double crochet all the way around the space. So place 1 double crochet in every space all the way around till you get to the end of row 2. So that's it basically for row 2. 1 double crochet in every stitch, 1 double crochet in every stitch all the way around till you get to the end of the row. So you're going to do this all the way, 1 double crochet in every space all the way till you get to the end of the round. So keep doing this all the way till you get to the end of the round. So I'm at the end of row 2, so I'm just going to go into the chain 3 space we started with a slip stitch to end the row. So this is what our work should look like at the end of row 2. As you can see, the scrunchie is all coming up, and remember, we are making a chunky scrunchie. We are not just making a scrunchie, we are making a chunky scrunchie. So I'm going to go in with 1 more row because I want it so bold and chunky like I said earlier. So I'm going to go in 1 more row to increase the length and to make the ruffle more defined. So I'm going to place 1 double crochet all the way around the 3rd row. So that's what you're going to do all the way. Place 1 double crochet all the way for the next row, which is the 3rd row. So this is what you're going to do basically all the way till you get to the end of the 3rd row. 1 double crochet all the way. So you're going to do this all the way till you get to the end of the 3rd row. So I am at the end of the 3rd row, and this is what our scrunchie should look like at this point. So I'm basically going to end the round. So I'm going to go right on top of the chain, right underneath the chain 3 with 1 more. And then I'm going to slip stitch to end the round. So that will be it. Chain 1, pull your work, cut off to end. So I am done. I'm going to weave in the hanging thread. So I'm just going to weave in that to give it a nice finishing. And yeah, that will be that. So this is what our scrunchie should look like at the end of the day. Easy peasy. So this is what I had from the acrylic fiber yarn I used, and this is what I got from the velvet yarn I used. As you can see, they all came in different texture, but they are all 3 rows individually. The acrylic fiber yarn is 3 rows, the cotton yarn is 3 rows, and the velvet is 3 rows. So basically, this is what I got from the different yarns I use in making this. So what do you think? Will you want to try it? If yes, please give me a thumbs up, a like, and a share. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.